Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this EASA certification conference for 2022. So my name's Colin Hancock. I'm the Head of Policy, Innovation and Knowledge within the Certification Directorate at EASA, and I'll be your moderator for today. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome Rachel Deschler, the Certification Director, to the stage to open today's conference.
Colin, and good morning, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure for me to welcome you to this EASA Certification Conference edition 2022. After 3 years of interruption, we are finally able to renew with the tradition of a face-to-face event in Cologne, and very importantly, during the Christmas market period. Thank you to all for being here today, either in the room or online. You will be a bit more than 300 physically present. Thank you very much for that, for making the trip and for enabling this gathering. The certification conference is a unique opportunity for EASA to gather a large part of the design and manufacturing industry from Europe, but also from beyond Europe. A very special welcome to our guests from beyond Europe. It enables us traditionally to deliver various information updates and to have also lively and productive exchanges with you. Since we met last time in the same place 3 years ago, for those who were there, a lot has happened that had a profound effect on our personal lives, on society, and on the aviation sector. COVID, climate change crisis, war on the European continent, just to name a few. It seems that there is only one certainty left to us, which is that tomorrow is unpredictable. Tomorrow is unpredictable, and we have to constantly adapt and work together as a community on the changes that are needed in the way we do things, and especially the changes that are expected from us from society. Changes in how aircraft are designed and operated so that tomorrow can be greener. Also changes in how we manage safety so that we are protecting ourselves always better against worst-case accident scenarios. We need also to bring changes that aim at continuously improving efficiency and quality in what we deliver. And if I speak now about EASA certification, I have in mind our oversight, product safety, and also regulatory development processes, for example. In today's agenda, we wanted to give a large space to industry speakers. And this is first because industry is usually in the front seat of change and innovation, and we all want to hear about it and to learn from you. It is also because we are keen as EASA to have your feedback on how we perform. We will not mix up roles in the sense that EASA will stay on the regulator side, but that doesn't mean we are always right or that we cannot take feedback. Thank you very much in advance, therefore, for all the questions and challenging comments that I'm sure will be raised today. I would like to say a big thank you to all the speakers of today, and also a big thank you to the EASA team, which is behind the organization. And now, let me wish you a very productive and enjoyable event. Thank you very much.
Okay, so there are some important details on the screen behind me. So first of all, the method for questions today is through Slido. So you can either do that through the website or through the app. and here you'll see the code for registering for that. So throughout, as the speakers are speaking, you can already enter your questions. And generally, the way we have organized today, we have basically into 4 blocks. And at the end of each block, we will do a question and answer session based on those questions entered in Slido with the speakers from that block. So please take your time to register that. For participants online, I think it's a bit easier because basically Slido is embedded into the webinar tool, and those online can therefore direct the questions through that route. Okay, the Wi-Fi code is also there for those wanting to connect with their devices. So on part 21, regulatory updates. So I'd like to invite to the stage the presenters from this. So we will have presenting Rodrigo Priego, who is Section Manager for Initial Airworthiness Standards and Specifications, and he will be supported by Yuri Rock and Jean-Pierre Arnaud. So Yuri is a rulemaking officer, and Jean-Pierre Arnaud is a safety management expert.